In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to your website with a few simple and easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're showcasing a collection of photos, a portfolio of artwork, or simply adding some visual flair, creating a gallery can really enhance your website's appeal. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll go over how to add a new page specifically for your gallery. Head over to the Pages panel on your website builder. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus sign. That's your friend here. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various page layout options. Go ahead and select Gallery from these layouts. This will instantly create a new page designed to host your collection of images. Now, if you prefer to add the gallery to a page you've already created, it's just as easy. Open the page you want to edit by clicking Edit. Look around for an Add Section icon. This might look like a small plus sign. When you click on it, options will appear, and you should focus on the Images tab to find the gallery layout you desire. Choose one, and it'll slot right into your existing page. Once you have your gallery page or section in place, it's time to populate it with images. Again, while editing the page, find the gallery's image icon and give it a click. You'll see a plus icon. Clicking this allows you to upload pictures directly from your computer. For a more interactive option, you might like the drag and drop feature, which lets you move images from your files straight into your online gallery with ease. Arrange these photos by simply dragging and dropping them around until you're happy with their order. Next comes the fun part, customizing your gallery's appearance. While still in editing mode, notice the pencil icon or the words Edit section. This is what you'll use for design customizations. Within these design settings, you can switch up the gallery style. Perhaps a grid or a slideshow suits your taste. You can also determine how wide the gallery stretches across the page and choose the number of columns to display your images. Adjust the space between the images for a neat, organized look. Add captions to give context, or even spice things up with some animation effects. Within the Edit Gallery settings, you have the option to add descriptions or links to individual images, further enhancing user interaction. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create a captivating gallery that not only attracts attention, but also enhances the user experience on your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see how you put it to use. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!